We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. You see me make my way through the crowd and say hello. Little did you know that I was Romeo when I was throwing pebbles, and your daddy said stay away from Juliet, and you were crying on the staircase begging me please don't go.